Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to fix sound or audio issues in Killer Bean game. So without wasting time, here follow the steps very carefully. First fix, make sure sound levels in game is set to 100%. So look for audio settings within the Killer Bean game menu and ensure that the volume and other audio settings are correctly configured. Make sure the volume bars are set to 100%. By default it is set to 0, so you have to make sure the volume bars are set to 100%. And then you can launch the game and check. Further, if you're using headphones, then you may like to try using speakers to see if any sounds play or not. Fix 2. Steps to fix sound or audio problem in Killer Bean. So open Windows settings. On the left click on system, then click on sound. Scroll down, under advanced option you will see more sound settings, click on it. Then select your default device, for example speakers, and then click on properties. Now go to spatial sound tab and from the drop down select off option first, then hit on apply, OK, and then launch the game and check. Now if spatial sound is already set to off, then from the drop down select Windows Sonic for headphones, then hit on apply, OK, and then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Fix 3. Steps to fix sound or audio problem in Killer Bean if you are using a Bluetooth headphones. So right click the Bluetooth icon in the system tray and select show Bluetooth devices. Scroll to the bottom and select more devices and printer settings. Right click your headphones and select properties. Now go to services tab, uncheck hands-free telephony, remote control and remotely controllable device, then hit on apply and then launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. Fix 4 is to set default sound device. So click on the sound icon in the system tray and make sure your system volume is set to 100%. Then select your audio device above your system volume. Select the sound device you are using for the game. After the sound device selected, restart the game and then test it for the improvement. So these are some of the fixes that you can try to fix sound or audio problem in Killer Bean game. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.